Day 3 is in the bag. We're now in Macon, Georgia. We didn't make it as far as Florida. It was a bit of a tough ride. You're going to see why later. But we're in Macon, Georgia right now. And the day started out amazing. Check this out. Leaving Coxville, Tennessee. Quick shot of Danielle taking the first shift of driving. Crooked H is all packed up. She's ready to go. Looking for palm trees today. Danielle, as you can see, has our first shift. Very talkative today. We're setting out a goal of 11 hours and some minutes. I don't think we're going to hit it today. No reason for us to kill ourselves to get to Florida. Well, to get to where we're going is Fort Pierce, Florida. No reason to kill ourselves because we have a couple of days before we need to get over to the Bahamas or get a plane to get to the Bahamas. So we're going to have a nice drive on country roads in Tennessee and through Atlanta. It's apparently snowing in Atlanta, so we're bringing all the snow with us. It's going to be Danielle and Dean's endless winter on the boat. We are somewhere in the Tennessee mountains. This is incredible. What's so fun? And then things kind of turned around from being amazing to being really, really bad.
Just like in Wisconsin, this is what happens. She says it matches the blood found at the crime scene. Also, the wound on his arm is consistent with the knife Mina Ventura had in her hand. The blood DNA matched, he said.
Snowing in Atlanta.
A crime lab. She compared blood to...
Yep. Driving in the snow is the same across the country. More accidents. It's almost as if the road is slippery. Today reminded me of a feeling that I've had during this whole catamaran buying process, of a story about a town that's flooding and a man is on his roof. And he's praying to God to save him, and a canoe comes along, and the people in the canoe say, "Hey, come on, we'll save you." And the man says, "No, I'm praying to God, and God will save me." And so the canoe paddles away. And then the speedboat comes up and says, "Come on, jump in, we'll save you." And the man says, "No, I'm praying to God, and God will save me." And then the water gets up to about the man's feet, and a helicopter comes, and the helicopter throws down a rope, and the man says, "Thank you, but no, I'm praying to God, and God will save me." Well, the water comes up, the man drowns, he goes and he meets God, and he says, "God, why didn't you save me?" And God says, "I sent you a canoe, a speedboat, and a helicopter. What more do you want me to do?" Well, today, there was 8 inches of snow that fell in Georgia. 8 inches of snow in Georgia. Wish I was in land of cotton. I see that. Where old times are not forgotten. Look away, look away, look away, Dixieland. Before that, we had Hurricane Irma, Hurricane Maria, all these things lined up around our boat. Danielle and I are choosing to believe that all the adversity that we're running into isn't a sign from God or the universe or Allah or Yahweh or whoever it is that sends signs in your world to us that maybe we're on the wrong life path. Because the boat's okay and we're okay and we're just a little bit late right now. So that's what we're choosing to believe. We're hoping that all these things are not signs from somewhere up above. Tomorrow, we're definitely going all the way down to Florida, Fort Pierce. Hopefully we'll make it. Hopefully there won't be another gigantic snowstorm of the year, and we'll make it all the way down there. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate all the comments you guys have been making. Thanks for following along. Hope this is interesting. It's fun for us. It's exciting for us. And pretty soon, we're gonna have some boat porn for you. So keep watching, subscribe, keep making comments. Thanks much. And remember, live different.